What's up? What's up? Nanobabaw kabalan ko, kumusta kayo po? So ako'y Louis Season ning Where in Pampanga. At yung kami ngayon kayong The Mansions Boutique Hotel. So with me is my family. Introduce kay Mami Joy. So this is Louis Wiz. This is Pan and Isa. Yan.
How's your day, guys?
How's your day, guys? Join us. We're gonna show all the feature of the mansion. Thank you, the mansions, for inviting us. Let's go! Mansion. This is the master bedroom. And there's Luis.
Hello, hi mami. Ito, aking gulot ating...
Ah.
Hi, mga vloggers. Welcome to our vlog.
Oh, look at your room, babe. Look at the room.
Wow! May nauna na yan.
Hey, what's up, guys? So let me just give you a quick tour of our room. So meron tayong ano dyan, a huge refrigerator, an LCD TV. Oh, kumanin ni Mami.
Hello.
Tatawa siya. This is a master bedroom. Kitang si Arda. Yon. Yan. So this is the master bedroom. And then right now, we are full pack kami ng We're in Pampanga team. So I have my family with me. So we're gonna stay here and then tingnan natin yung CR nila. Yun, no? You having fun, guys? So here are some of the amenities of the mansion. On our right, so meron tayong dyan, campfire. Later on tonight, merong movie night. Popcorn tayo dito. That far side, may doon, parang giant size chess game. And then dito yung children's outdoor playground. So here is Isa and Ate Pan. They're having fun.
Sandcastle. Yes. You want sandcastle?
And there's Luis. Ito, so some of the amenities here at the mansion. May mga complimentary bikes tayo for children, for adults, meron din doon. And then on our left side dito, so may mga tennis court dyan. Perfect na perfect yun talaga for family weekend getaway mo yan. Okay, time check, it's 6:20 p.m. Look at the view, guys. Wow. Overlooking natin yung mga bundok. And then down below us, Pan and Isa are enjoying their swim. Hi guys! Careful ka lang. Oh, careful ka lang, sige. Nice, eh? Nice view, man. So we have complimentary cocktails for 3. What do you suggest, sir? Spicy calamansi. Martini. Pila niya percentage yung alcohol na nito? 45 ml. Sige. So we get one. What else? Mojito. Cucumber mojito tsaka golden mojito. Cool. Sige. So we'll try those 3. Okay, dito lang kami sa pool. Yung first seat dito. Salamat. Nice. Okay, so this is their pool area for kids, and we are having mojito, cocktails. Tama ba lives, man? I have the golden mojito. You have the chili calamansi, and
This one?
cucumber mojito. Cheers, guys! Woo! Cheers! Thank you, the mansion. Wow! Yeah, refreshing. Yeah, man.
Yung mix na. Nakita mo ako?
So, isa sa mga perks dito sa The Mansion is during the night. Yan, so meron tayong movie, you gather around, there's a like parang campfire dyan, and then you can have your parang marshmallows, s'mores, ganyan, and then popcorns are free. Yan, popcorns are free. So, nandun yung lugar namin. So, we're gonna just chill out, watch our movie today. So, it's Shrek. Tara! Movie done. It's now dinner time. Let's go get our dinner. Okay, so it's dinner time with my Luis. So I'm having a rice bowl tocino. So we have a pizza, burger, salad, and chicken. We also have this special kind of soup. I don't know. I forgot the name, but yeah. Dinner time, guys. Join us. Yun guys, so I'm just using my phone to record this video. This is gonna be my last update. Tomorrow, breakfast na yung ano natin, next video natin. Sarap! Great day! Ayun si Jano. Woo! What a great day. Right, Luis? Luis, great day? Dito tayo. Ayan o. Great day, Luis? Huh? Hoy! Great day? Great day. Good morning, sunshine. Good morning, sunshine. Check out our view. Morning, Luis. Morning, Luis. Morning, Luis. How was your sleep, Luis? How was your sleep, Luis? Morning, Luis. Good morning. So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. We are ready for our breakfast. Morning, sunshine. Morning, sunshine. Hello, good morning. From room 20. Yes. All right. Yes, pa. Thank you. So we have pasta, tocino. This is bacon, egg, and longanisa. We also have pancake breads and fruits. Let's start. Chow time. Almusal ni Luis. Hi, Mommy. After this, what are you gonna do?
Swimming and play.
Where are you gonna play?
In the playground.
Playground. Ciao, guys. It's swimming time. It's now 9:30 a.m. and it's Luis' first time to swim. Luis! Luis! Dito banda. Yo! Yo! Yo!
Good. Let's get back.
Good job, Isa.
Done.
Ito na si Luis, oh. Luis!
Sis, sis.
I'll go swim. Hey guys! Hey guys! Look at Luis. Luis, look at the camera. Luis, look at the camera. Okay, so before we head home, so may isang amenity pa dito na we're gonna try out. So the kids are going to the playroom. Yeah, let's get in. Thank you. Yun, so kung meron silang children's playground or playroom, so meron din pang adult. Yeah, so here you can play foosball. Yay! We are now going home. Thank you, the mansion. Thank you, the mansion. If you are to ask me, nung it's a must or a recommended place inside Clark or even in Pampanga, it is, guys. Check out the mansion. Bye. Say bye, Luis. Say bye. Thank you, the mansions. Bye. Poof. Yan isa?
Shy plant.
Shy plants. Makayalapin naman, so direct interpretation, shy plants, ha?
Sino nagturo sa'yo sabi niya? Okay, pagpag. Daddy ko sabi niya, shy pa.
Shy plants.